Hey everyone, what's crackin'? My name's Haley and welcome back to my channel. So today I filmed a video for you guys that I think is very fitting for the summertime. It is my take on 3 healthy versions of iced lattes. The first one I made is a vanilla latte, which is one of my all-time favorite drinks. And I also made a mocha for you chocolate lovers and a pumpkin spice latte for those of us who are so excited for those to come back. So these recipes are super healthy. They're made with organic ingredients and really good for you ingredients. And there is a keto version for those of you who are looking to do low carb this summer. So if you want to see how to make my healthy iced lattes, then stick around and keep watching. So the first thing you're going to want to do is get all of your ingredients ready. So here I have 1 cup of water, about 4 cups of cold brew coffee that I made the night before, my 3 different flavors that I'm going to be making the syrups with, and then 1 cup of organic coconut palm sugar. You can use a sugar substitute or just regular sugar if you want to. Then you're going to pour 1 cup of water into a saucepan and put that on high heat and bring it to a boil. Once the water is boiling, you're going to pour your cup of whatever sugar you chose into the boiling water, bring it to low heat, and let the sugar dissolve in the water to make the simple syrup. Once the sugar has completely dissolved in the water, you're going to get 3 different bowls and divide the water into 3 different parts to make your different simple syrups. When doing this, you're going to want to make sure to just spill it everywhere on the counter like I did right here and just make even more of a mess for you to clean up. Then you're going to take your different flavors. I started with Hershey's cocoa powder and I put a teaspoon into the first bowl, and then I mixed that up until all of the cocoa was dissolved into the sugar water. Then I went in with the pumpkin pie spice, again just a teaspoon, and repeated that step, making sure that the spice was all dissolved into the simple syrup. And lastly, I took pure vanilla extract, again just a teaspoon, and mixed that all together to make our last simple syrup. Then you're going to get 3 glasses of your choice. You can use regular glasses or mason jars, whatever you're feeling. And you're going to put ice in each cup. I filled it about halfway. You can put more or less, whatever you choose. Then you're going to take your cold brew coffee, or if you have an espresso machine, you can make 2 shots of espresso or just regular hot coffee. I find that cold brew works better because it doesn't melt all of the ice. Then you're going to pour your simple syrup into each cup. I used about 1/3 of a cup, which I found was way too much. So I would say start with a teaspoon and then work your way up to however you like the taste. Then I poured in almond milk. You can use regular milk or coconut milk, whatever you desire, and then mix it up with your little metal straws and make sure to taste test it before serving it to any of your friends. They were really good, but super sweet. Alrighty guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I know I sure had a lot of fun making it. I'm still currently drinking the vanilla latte that I just made. So good. The really good thing about these recipes is that you can tailor them to whatever dietary needs you have. You can make the paleo version, which is the one that I made in the video, or you can make a keto version, or just a regular version if you are not on any specific diet. So if you guys liked this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and let me know in the comments what video you guys want to see next. So thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.